Hello everyone, the pan here is on medium heat. We'll start dry roasting some ingredients. So here I have 1 tablespoon of black peppercorns, about 4 to 5 dry red chilies, 1 cup of curry leaves or kadipatta, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, about half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. We'll dry roast this for a few minutes until the curry leaves are nice and crispy. So this should take about 4 to 5 minutes. Meanwhile, all other spices that we have added will also get dry roasted. While you are dry roasting, you can marinate the chicken in say half a cup of yogurt or curds and add some salt. You can also add juice of 1 lemon, so that will give it the right amount of sourness, and it will also help tenderize the meat. The curry leaves look nice and roasted. We'll check if they are crispy. I hope you can hear it. So it literally crumbles into a powder. I have transferred all the roasted ingredients, that is curry leaves, red chilies, coriander leaves, cumin seeds and black peppercorns to a spice grinder, and I will blend this to a smooth powder, and we will use this later in the dish. What we'll do next is prepare a ground masala, and for this, in a mixer grinder we'll take about 2 tablespoons of garlic cloves, about 1 small onion that is sliced, about a tablespoon of ginger, and then we'll take about 3 green chilies. We will add about a couple of tablespoons of water and grind them to a smooth paste. So here we have the ground masala. It smells amazing. The pan back on medium heat, and I'll add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Here I'm using coconut oil because coconut oil is traditionally used here in Bangalore region. Once the oil is hot, I'll add about half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once the cumin seeds start to sizzle, I'll add about 1 large onion finely chopped. I'll saute this on medium to medium high flame until it is light golden in color. So this will take a good 6 to 8 minutes. The onions have become now golden brown in color. What we'll do next is we will add some marinated chicken. Add this to these onions. Give it a nice stir. To this we will also add the ground masala from earlier. So once the masala has been added, give it a quick mix. So we are going for a dry appetizer kind of dish. So we will cook this until all the moisture evaporates. We will add the curry leaf and black pepper powder mix. Give it a quick mix until everything is well incorporated, and continue cooking it on medium flame for some more time. We will cover this and let it cook on low flame for about 5 minutes. So we have added some salt to taste, and we'll add about a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Nothing fancy. If you have some curry powder, that will do as well. You can find this in any Indian grocery store. Give it a quick mix. As you see, most of the moisture has evaporated. To make sure the chicken is well cooked through, we will cover this and cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. We will remove the lid. You'll see that the addition of salt has drawn out some extra moisture from the chicken. And now cook it with the lid open until the masala dries up and coats the chicken. Most of the moisture has now evaporated. We'll give it a quick taste test. This one tastes amazing. There's the right amount of kick from the 3 spices that were added to the dish. Earthy flavor from the curry leaves. I think it is perfect. We will cook for another minute or so and then it's time to plate and serve. This dish goes really well with chapatis, but you can also serve this as an appetizer. Goes perfect with a cold, chilled glass of beer. If you want to get fancy, you can garnish this dish with some chopped or slit green chilies and some more curry leaves.